melting. Damn, that melted something else. I gotta use this phone for fucking.
Oh, man, that's great.
Oh yeah, I was like, bro. So the Rock? Wait, how many kids do Rock have?
Well, right now we know for sure that he's Blackbeard. Well, the thing is, like, he just finally showed him, and basically he looks.
Like growing up?
What it finally shows, like, what he looks like and shit. His actual,
Yeah,
his full face.
that's it. Yeah,
Oh,
I
it's
told
not
you
a
it was a.
follow.
Yeah, see, it's not a GT. See, now you can flex on the boy. I knew it was in a 5.0 because I passed it a couple times.
But that
Like,
means
bro,
there's another one that looks that same color. There's a GT somewhere back
but
there.
it was
I
the
ran
new
it,
gen though.
same color, but it was GT. I ran into him over there by First Street. That hoe had 5 on the side. But it wasn't. But it was like stock exhaust and shit. I remember
Let me change the
I was
title.
like, ah.
Bro, those gold longs, low key.
Oh yeah, no, but yeah,
I'm
he
gonna do
looks just like Boogie, like in the eyes and shit. Boogie,
Order filled.
I was like, I didn't even think. Like,
So 7-Eleven, which was 4 days ago, I bought the.
we need to put some stock in the. We need to put some stock in the Target, brother.
Target. What you been reading news about Target lately? What's been going on?
Target because of the shit with black people. Yeah,
What's that? The, like
they
color.
ended the DEI incentives. So like like the black hiring and shit.
Wait, black hiring. What's that?
Or DEI hires, like basically like like when
Like companies specifically hire more black people or something like that?
put them in like high
Yeah, like they actually deserve and like not discriminate and shit.
shit. But
Yeah.
yeah, but they said that they were stopping it and they stopped doing like promotion and shit. So black people 40 days.
What's up, Austin? How are you? I didn't know you'd be in here. I gotta share this to the chat.
The August 15th this. How are you? See it here in the Discord. August 15th, 50 because we're setting up. I also have AMD Leaps, which I did send out.
Good morning, brother.
Sent
Good
out
morning.
the,
See that gold melt, brother? That gold melt is nasty.
Oh, 3350s already.
Melting.
Yes.
Oh, baby. Gotta bring up the chat.
That means we're going up.
Man, those 350s got hit. We're thinking about getting into longs on gold and getting in on these lows because we can. If we want to. I'm gonna call these days GTR Tuesdays. Where we start. Oh shit, that's loud. Let me not. Hey, connect my phone. Jesus Christ, he's chasing more. Please don't come over here. How many times he gotta tell you, old man? Okay, cool. She's walking on this side of the street.
Oh yeah, I didn't tell you about the other chick I had. Did
Bro, just be on side quest helping people.
that one I think I did a blessing.
What happened?
So when I was like on my way going to the store, I saw her walking. I thought I was tripping. I was like, oh, does she have bitch ain't have shoes on? Walking fast like she was moving like she was trying to get somewhere. I just kept going to the back. I saw her on that shit. I'm like, why is she over here? That's like some Mexican girl. She doesn't look like she really could be some help. You know what I mean? And so like I just go there.
How do you just wake up abusive? It's crazy.
Shit.
It's really odd.
She said
Doesn't anybody seem sketchy trying to get, pick you up at that time?
I kind of know how it is.
You good?
You know what I mean? I was like,
Chat. Whoever's in
go
here.
over there by like it's over there by
Good morning, Bobby. How are you, brother? I'm thinking about making this from a circle to a square because I feel like the square is better. You said a group of niggas.
Thank God. Thank God I got a ride.
Where was this at? Over here?
On the road.
Bro, I'll always be in the most sketchiest situations.
St. Mary, old man. They marry all the time.
Right now we're watching gold. It's melting right now, but I'm just gonna be patient. My market opens here in the next about 4 minutes or so. Trading to my live accounts. I'm already up 3 grand on this account today, and I'm up like almost 3 grand on this account as well. So up 6K today on my live. Yo, that bitch is melting. Fuck. Bang, 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 melt, melt, melt. I mean, if this thing can keep melting back to here, I'll take longs. I'll take longs. At 3,323 or even 3,340, getting in long. Even 3,040 might get broken. You flexing that trade? I ain't flexing no trades, man. No flex zone. Just kidding.
Wow.
To who?
Like the African dude, the ever talking crazy. He got close and shit, like you was finna hit him.
I got like 3 blunts for. We want to smoke these doobies. I just want to finish them. It's up to you. He said, nah. I got 3 blunts rolled, but we'll smoke the blunts first, actually. Go from there. Your thought on scalping versus your style? I intraday trade, but I scalp and I swing trade. I do both. I don't see a point in only learning one way of trading because the market's always changing. So I definitely believe like one should be able to scalp, intraday trade, swing, all that. I don't know. I gotta wait till market open because market open, this thing can just keep melting off of the volume. Hopefully everyone's having a good day. Austin, I know you said you didn't catch the trade, but even though you woke up late, it's fine. Hoping the other brothers will join the stream. Snaps, bro. I got people Snapchats and stuff. Gotta post. You know what I'm saying? What the hell? Still spoken in the GTR and live streaming my trades. Up 3. Bro, my fucking screen is dirty. Wait, grab 3 grand on this account. 3 grand on this account. On YouTube. Please give me views. Give me views. Thank you. What's up, brother? How are you, bro? Market just opened. 3 grand on this account. Catch me on YouTube. Please give me views. Give me views. Yeah. We're melting right now on gold, guys. So that's good. Where the Zoom at? What you mean? Today's a live stream, brother. It ain't private today. Tomorrow it's gonna be private just for the boys, but I figured I should stream on YouTube because it's been 12 days since I last streamed. Y'all say drop some free content for everybody. I mean, if y'all want, we could hop on a Discord and then we'd all be in like a Discord chat while I'm trading. So, I mean, that'd be pretty fun. Let me know. I'll hop in that Internet Money Discord or whatever. But I like to get other voices in here. That'd be pretty cool. I think about being private, but I can't. I can't be typing on here and on the charts. All right, I'm gonna hop on a Discord call and then I'm gonna invite everybody or whatever. Just hop on Internet Money. All right, bet that. So everybody in chat, hop on that Internet Money, Internet Money. I can't fucking talk. All about being patient, waiting for the move, guys. Wait for the move to happen.
What happened?
Drop it for sales.
It's too risky now. Never crossed my mind.
You shoot me the link. All right, bet. I'm about to join Discord right now. I'll show you everything I got going on here. Oh, this is Internet chat. Anyway, just hop in the lounge if you want to hop in the lounge. I'm in here. And I'll just share it. Damn, brother, that shit melting, maybe. Fuck.
Oh, you hear me?
Yes, sir. I gotta turn you down though. Sheesh.
All right. I think I need to get off of that. Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you just fine.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to change this shit so that it's on speakerphone, but no, that's not speaker. Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right, that's speakerphone.
Send a Discord in the chat.
You are? Okay, I was just about to do that.
Oh, if you can do that, that'd make it so much easier.
Yeah, I was gonna put it. I'm gonna drop the Discord server invite into the Internet Money chat right now.
Bet.
Yeah, dude.
Sabe. Smoking with my boy Bray. Last time you talked about a mental stop loss. Can you explain what you mean so that your account doesn't get lost? So by mental stop loss is like a key area where I feel like price will go where I'm comfortable getting out. Now I do play stop losses when I'm not sure of the market or there's more volume than I'm expecting. But if it's a typical trading day, I don't have like an actual physical stop loss placed. But it's important to always use a stop loss. I think as a trader, you should always use a stop loss. Don't copy what I do. Copy some things that I do, but don't copy everything. Damn, NQ hitting that little melty melt. We like that. Nvidia is good right now because we have Nvidia earnings were pretty great.
Mic check.
Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Not much. Streaming. Smoking.
Yeah.
Streaming.
All right, I'm about to hop out this chat and then switch to my computer on my phone. I'll be back.
Yeah, yeah. This thing is melting, guys. Fuck. Thing is literally melting. So we go look at gold here. My next key area of targeting, because we did break this zone. Yeah. Man, that's a crazy projection.
Projection.
Y'all see this?
Projection. Melt.
Yeah, that is that ain't no rejection.
Motherfucker
Sheesh.
fell off the cliff.
Bro, that mug been falling since London. Bro, literally since 5 a.m. I'm glad I got out of this trade at the highs because I got out at like we go to actual futures chart. I got in at like I got at like 3,375, 3,069, like around those areas where I got out. Wow, we're breaking these lows, which is awesome. See, I even have these lines marked up, so it's like even if I could have low key hit on this trade for sales, I would have caught a fat bag, brother. Fat.
What's up, boys?
Booty fat. What's up, man? How are you?
Good. I'm just getting on the chart. I woke up so late today.
I mean, I didn't. I already took my trades. I'm like up on all my accounts today, besides Apex. I gotta reset those again. Caught the move in the right direction for like the first 4 minutes. Looked away from my charts because I had to go into the gas station, but I still had my laptop with me, like in my car. And I was up like 4 or 5 grand, and I was gonna take profit, and then that bitch melted, and then yeah, trailing drawdown flew those bitches. So
Yo, what's good?
gonna retry those. What's up, Gabriel? Gabriel, Mr. Gabe.
Put a lot of emphasis on the game.
Did I?
Fuck you.
I didn't mean it like that, but
That's crazy, bro.
it's funny.
Yeah,
What up, brother?
I'm back. Just had to get
What's up, on?
on my headset. It was good. Can't. But on the whole thing, honestly, I like this better because I swear, bro, we do the Zoom calls and my fucking. Cause we only ever send links to the fucking cell phone info, but my fucking phone be like halfway dead by the time we're done with the charts. And I need the battery, bro.
Yeah, I'm on the charger right now. I just emailed the link or the link to my own email. Click on it, so I don't join on my
That's
phone.
smart. That's smart.
Gotta add these links. How the fuck do you add links on Instagram again? Where's it? Links. Links. Let me just search it. Links. So there it is. Search it.
So what are we looking at today? I'm thinking NQ's about to set up for a huge fall off. I don't know about y'all, but
NQ,
I feel
I'm
like
still
NQ
bullish. I want to see a pullback.
See,
Right
you're
now, I'm
still
kind of
bullish. I'm thinking.
bearish on
I'm thinking that bitch. And then what about gold? Do you think gold bullish too? I'm thinking gold bearish as well.
bro. Gold is man. That's the
Yeah,
thing. I want to catch longs on gold and just catch a nasty retracement because I mean we're still bullish. I mean the still trend is like the overall trend is still. But now it's like,
Mm.
damn, are we gonna be
Bottom
like,
3, 3, 4, 5.
yeah, are we gonna be sideways or are we
To the
gonna
halfway
finally break
point
out
and
of
then
this?
back
Because
down.
I mean, we've been struggling here
You
for
could
a
have got
while.
out and played long.
But NQ is feeling real,
All good.
real bullish to me. Especially because right now this little move to the downside that it's making. If we took like the first 5 minutes and did a an ORB off the first 5 minutes, that is an ORB off the 5 minutes, and then that one little bit of green retracement is halfway through the range, which would be the green line on a fib retracement. So in other words, that looks like it's healthy for a down right now. Even if it's a short down, like everything about that, like it really just did a 5 minute opening range break and retest.
Jeez, that's
Right?
crazy, bro.
Like if that's the range right there, that red candle was the break. The green
I'm just
candle
gonna
that's
go
forming on
long,
NQ right
bro.
now is potentially a retest. If it stays underneath 23 155. That's technically a retest.
Order filled.
I'm going long on NQ.
You're gonna go long on NQ on that or on gold?
I'm long on NQ.
What is he just long on, guys?
NQ.
Someone tell me.
NQ. I long on NQ.
You think just long on NQ?
Can y'all hear me? I long on
No.
Actually,
But you know what? You know what? When
Order
you said that
filled.
on gold, bro, it fucked my life up. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about that. I'm gonna gamble.
you're actually going long on NQ.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I should gamble.
Yeah, I think NQ looks good for
wait.
long. We've been in a 4-hour range
I wait till
since
15 minutes.
last
Bro,
month.
we're at all-time
and we finally broke
highs.
out of it.
We're at all-time highs, and we finally got like a pullback. Why the fuck would I not follow the trend? That doesn't make sense to me.
Right.
Because I feel like something tells me about being all-time highs and then having that pullback is telling me that maybe, just maybe, we're not going to be creating too much more highs from here.
For sure.
And maybe, just maybe, sellers are going to get in, some big markets, some big pockets, some market movers, makers going to come in and be like, ooh, this is prime for a major short of money. You know, I can put all that way back down. And then there's going to be people going to hop on that trend.
If you look at the 4-hour chart, we've had a range going since beginning of this month. We've been trading between 22.8 and 23,000. We've retested 23,000 twice. We've retested 22.8 twice. We broke through 23 yesterday. We had a retest down into 23,036 on a 4-hour candle. And the price action last night turned that around completely and closed above 23,000 with a bullish close.
Yeah, we're still bullish.
So what we're starting to see is a break and retest of 23,000. We're going to absorb over 23. We can still go higher. I think the difficulty just becomes finding targets.
Yeah.
You don't really know how high it's going to go.
Yeah, you don't have anything to reference, and every time we get to a point where we have no targets is where I typically feel like I see the largest reversal happen, right? Like, or that's typically when it occurs, is when we're getting to a point where we're like, you know, exactly, people aren't really sure, so some people are like, well, we got a lot of targets the opposite direction, you know.
I believe that. I get what you mean. So I'm kind of just being patient on this.
I mean, I'm being, I told myself no more. I mean, even though I looked at the I told myself no more 5-minute trades. It's only 15-minute range trades, so
The hiking still looks
I'm going to
solid.
wait until 15 minutes transpires.
Where that man Young Julius at?
No clue.
Young
Said
Julius.
he's not gonna be on this morning.
Oh, really? Maybe my brother trying to focus. You look only gold or also NQ, and if the NQ going high, the gold putting. No, don't ever think inverses. That is the worst thing to ever do as a trader. Always look at them as separate individuals.
Yeah, don't do that shit. I fucking did that shit the other day because I thought I saw that, you know what I mean? And then very quickly did it humble me and show me that that was not the case. So no fucking none of that shit, bro. Look at that chart for show. Oh, show. That shit had me stressed out too because I was juggling trades. I had one position in on gold and one position in on NQ. I stressed out. All right. Looks
Okay,
like
I'm
gold
gonna
might
add another 4
continue
cons.
to
This is risky, but fuck it.
Order filled.
on the long.
Yeah, I just added another 4 contracts. So
Yeah, I missed that entry long on NQ. I'm waiting for a little pullback if we get something, but
I think COD's deep.
I'm considering if I go long on NQ, I need it to break that 15-minute high there at 23,222.
Yeah, that's
yeah,
understandable.
I think that's what we're working towards right now. I like this.
If we break it, I'll get in, but I'm not gonna get in prior to that break. I don't think.
Yeah, I like the support down at like 23,130, that area. Maybe 23,140 if I wanted to get in a little more aggressively. That's right where VWAP was. So we kind of made that fade into VWAP that I've been seeing a lot on NQ, and then it starts to reverse.
Yeah, I like looking at NASDAQ because it's a little cleaner than looking at the future side of NQ.
That's probably where you entered, huh? 23,130, somewhere around there.
Yeah. It's looking kind of choppy here, chat.
Yeah, fuck that. Fuck that.
No, everything like unless it has some like heavy rejections, it's currently looking like still lining up for the short that I was talking about.
Yeah.
I don't know, but gold could be.
Just because of like where it just hit that retracement is on the
Yeah,
other
that's
side
kinda
of my
why I'm
EMA
just waiting.
50. And the quote unquote line that both those two candles just quote unquote broke is the green line on my fib retracement. So they just came right back down off the yellow, and it's already tested that before, and it tested it at a higher point. It didn't reach as high on that on this previous test of that line.
Yeah, we could get some rejections.
I don't know. Yo, but gold with the little reverse pump was happening.
Yeah. Rejections.
What's going on with gold? I'm about to
Already got in.
adjust this retracement on gold.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, there. And then we're gonna grab you
On
here.
5 micros, if we reach the top, I get 1330.
NQ did a little melty melt right there.
Had more headroom, I would.
It's still inside that 15-minute range though, so I don't want to touch it.
Yeah.
Once it breaks
I'm
a
still
15,
bullish, bro.
okay.
Nvidia pumped
So
this
gold.
last
Yeah,
night.
no, it didn't even break that previous low.
I'm still
Yeah, but
bullish in
everything
this
that
because
everywhere where it's at right now, guys, everywhere where it's at right now is a 15-minute range, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So the fucking first
Yeah,
minute
we're
candle
all-time
placed a
highs
high of
too.
23.22. The fucking
Oh, shit.
10th minute candle
Oh,
placed a
yeah.
low of 23.1, 23.25. Until it gets out of that range, whatever it's doing is irrelevant.
Oh, for sure. I'm in the range. Like I caught the range. Like no cap, I caught the range. But like I said, also sometimes catching the range can benefit you if I caught the range at the lows.
No, I'm not talking to you. You different. You do what you want. I'm talking to everybody else who's fresher. It was like newer like me. You know, stay
Don't
outside.
cut him off. I
range.
still want to hear what he was gonna say. No,
Yeah,
hey, motherfucker, don't cut him off.
He's traded this shit a million fucking times, and he's seen it a million
I-
fucking times.
okay,
Take the risk
okay.
of a $1 million account.
Yo, shut up real quick. Shut up, motherfucker. He was still gonna say something. I want to learn when I have an opportunity to learn, motherfucker.
And he just doesn't want to hear me. He says I can't provide him knowledge. He says I can't provide him knowledge too.
No. I never said that, but you cut him off. I never said that, but your ass cut him off.
Look, man, I'm Latino by blood, dude. Okay, I try my best. Okay. All right, Josh. Sorry for cutting you off, man.
Nah,
Go ahead.
bro, big chillin'.
Okay, but tell him. He's the one to know what you're about to say.
It's very early, so
Oh man, this is so much more comfortable when you don't like rush into a trade.
yeah.
You're not stressed. I'd be so stressed right now. I would have shorted. I would have shorted at the end of that 10th candle.
Hit the exit here in a sec.
And truth is I would have shorted on gold too, the way that bitch was first moving. So close.
The daily's still bullish, so that's the only reason why I'm in this. But the thing is, I could have got in too early.
Yeah, because also another thing too, you be trading a long ass trade too. That's another thing other people gotta think about. Like some of us, like even if it is going long, like being there for the in those first few minutes and then catching that downtrend might be the amount of money that you needed. In those first few minutes, like you don't really need to be there. Like Josh is different. Josh trying to make 30 bands. Like a lot of y'all just trying to make a couple hundred and get out.
Yeah.
Come over here.
God, it looks like gold's getting real close. Gold's getting real close.
Nana just called me.
Mm-hmm.
She also just came down here and she talked to the workers because they don't have water right now either. Their water was on yesterday, but now it's not on now. What they're doing is they just gave no warning. They have to elevate it for the water to flow because they also have to switch the meters because they had to move Nana Bubble's original meter. So they have to elevate it.
That was backflowing.
Yeah. Right. So
I could hear it. It sounded like it was trying to push through.
They're turning. It's going to be turned on temporarily for just a little bit, and then later on today, when they're officially switching the meter, it'll go back off again. But they'll let us know, and then it'll be back on later again today.
Okay, awesome.
So it'll be on and off.
He's already over there messing with it.
Yeah, it'll be on and off today. But I just wanted to let you know that she just came down here because
I'm just gonna mute him for a second, so we don't want to hear that.
Yeah, bro.
I don't want to put all his shit out there. What's going on, brother? How y'all liking? I'm honestly liking NQ if this next 15 minute can open up bullish. But we'll see. I would just want us to reject here.
Breaking down. So in this video,
It's a tough one, boys. It's really a tough one.
3 years of
Final boss.
If this 5 minute can just stay above this key area of 23,000, because remember we broke 23,000 during Asia, bro. During fucking Asia, like what they actually
Break and retest. Break and retest just occurred on gold 15-minute ORB long. Next candle support confirmation candles doing a little fighting, but break followed by retest. Just for you guys to put an eye on in case you. Something happens.
Shit, just take what you can get.
Type shit.
I'm trying to ride it all the way up to the mountain. At least hoping for him.
I wouldn't, bro. I think gold is still gonna sell off. I'm still bearish a little bit on that one.
Putting my stop loss real close underneath that, so if it do fails, whatever.
Yeah, let's see how this reacts. I'm not liking it too much.
Right now, right now it's profitable for me at the moment, so just gonna give it a chance.
Not liking this one.
Like
Not
Julius
liking
and
this
AJ.
1 minute.
My Julius and AJ both said since I started yesterday with a $1,500 day, kind of need to maintain
What's
about
up,
$1,000
Sky?
trade a
How
day
are
now.
you? Bro, this is so sketch on NQ right now. Just buying here. Can we retest these highs? Because I would like to get above 23,173. Pump. I hate watching them 1 minute. Shit gives me AIDS. Like serious.
Like having itching
Bro, I
powder down
prefer
your
higher
back.
time frames, bro. They just make it so much better.
Let's keep pumping, baby. Let's keep pumping.
How about you go? Take that. If you're up around 300-400, I would say take that.
Fuck you, Dad.
NQ kind of struggling here. I'm only pretty much just looking for retracement, like probably down to this area. But if we break here and then we break these highs, oh yeah, that would be real nice. And we just broke the highs, and it's a Tuesday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he is. Yeah.
Man.
Yeah. Does this shit all the time.
Fuck, shit.
Dude, Josh,
No,
did you hear my brother?
And what?
Did you? Okay, never mind. He asked, is he in his GTR? Is he smoking in his GTR and trading? I'm like, yeah. Oh, sorry. He said toking.
Who's asking?
My brother,
Heck yes, I am.
Matt. Yep.
Kind of say my stop loss kind of somewhere here. Let's see. I'm really just, the thing is edging me.
Yo, I thought for top one the maximum loss limit was supposed to be 50,100 for a cap once you pass it.
I'm not sure.
I'm already at 50,200. I'm like, what the fuck? Because when it said 50,100
No,
was the
like
cap.
this 15-minute candle.
What happened?
I could have sworn with top one futures, the straight to funded Sim Pro account that we purchased, that like once you cross, like once your maximum loss limit hits 50,100, that's it. That's the most.
Yeah.
Like that's the highest it can go, but my maximum loss limit is already calculated at $50,235.38, and it's just like I thought it capped at 50,100.
No.
Oh, no. So,
trails.
like,
It
your
trails.
consistency thing, whatever.
You understand? It's still trailing. Even if you get to a higher profit, it'll still trail until you go past.
Yeah, but it said it caps at 50,100. Like once you're 2,000 over,
No, you have to
then
be above
the maximum loss limit would be at 50,000.
I'm pretty sure you have to be above 3,000, or is it 2,600 or something like that?
That's wild.
I think it's like 2,600 you have to be above before. Bro, what the heck? What type of bird? Hello? Shut up. She's
I don't
not
know.
liking it.
But gold has hit for me, by the way. I'm up already $500 on that
Dude,
breaker
what the
retest I
hell,
called out.
gold? Oh my gosh, that rejection's crazy. That rejection is crazy. Yeah, we're probably gonna reject on NQ. Not liking it.
1,090 on NQ.
Yeah, we're probably gonna get the rejection here.
Like that's how much you have?
No.
Oh, okay. Were you shorting it
No.
Nope.
on your paper trade? Nice.
No.
I think he's talking to someone else.
This man.
Nah, senor.
He's silly.
And take me out if you want to, bitch. Oh.
We sat here and
that's
looked
fine.
at
I'll take
gold
my
for a
little
whole
bit of money.
damn near hour. Your goofy ass hopped in NQ.
Yeah, I did.
I'll put both charts open and then I just apply 15-minute ORB and wait for something to break a 15-minute line.
He likes to see
I'm
red.
doing a lot of looking, man.
I've never seen someone who just likes to see red. It's crazy.
I'm probably gonna hit right here. See this. It's not too bad. I would love to see us pull back and stay above this area.
I think this green candle is going to go up, touch that EMA 9, and then come back down. And then I think in 3 more candles, it's going to break that low.
I pray you get the crazy boost right now.
I don't think it's in my favor right now.
I don't either, brother. NQ is very unforgiving.
That's for sure. But I still trust the daily, and that's the only reason why I'm in this.
You trust me?
I just open up.
We need to go to the moon.
Damn, she said, I want a male. Man, the clip was in here, boys. What the hell is happening with my charts? What the? What is going on? My shit just logged out. I couldn't even fucking close my trade.
You got gadoosh.
She said, nah.
Brother, yeah.
It hurts.
It closed my trade. Dude,
Yeah, you got gadoosh.
I got gadoosh, chat. Yeah, I did. That's so gay as fuck, bro. It lit.
Maybe not 8 cons next time.
Nah, I'm not Not tripping on that.
Maybe 5.
So I lost 3K on this, but that's fine. I'm still up on this one. And I'm still up for the day, like well over like 300K, so it's all Gucci.
Shit.
That's crazy, bro. That shit literally like logged me out. Like I couldn't even close my trade. I couldn't do anything.
I mean, what you need to close the trade for? Count gone.
Brother, that's bro. It fucking rejected. Oh, that's gay as hell. Dude, that's so gay. Are you also there? Did I disconnect from like everything?
Are you on Discord?
Dude, did y'all see that happen? Like I couldn't even like exit or anything. Bro said nope.
That kid got you up out of there.
Yeah, I mean I set it to where it's only at 3,000. So if I lose 3K for the day, it just closes me out. So I don't blow my shit. Dude,
Smart.
that's so
Smart, man.
gay, bro. I literally got closed out of Trade Evade. Trade Evade had a hiccup and said rip, and now it's going in my direction on this one. It's so gay. Wham. That sucks. I might liquidate this live account though. That's been in my liquidate this account and start another one. We'll see. I'll wait till the end of this trade week and probably liquidate it. Yeah. Just get whatever money I can get left out. Or flip it some more. I don't know. I haven't decided. Still bullish on NQ. That's so fucking gay.
You're still bullish, brother?
A little bit, yeah. But if we break these, then yeah.
Just lost 3 bands.
Yeah.
Take him on the chin, bro.
Yeah.
This guy's an absolute
Take him
bad
on
boy,
the chin, bro. Nothing you can do about it.
Bro, blew the account. I was like, you know
I
what?
didn't blow my live account.
Taking logs.
Yeah, you're not gonna keep getting viewers on YouTube. You do that though.
Do
You're
what?
gonna have to tighten up. Blowing 3 bands on account. These dudes trying to follow you so they can make money. You
No
can't be
one need
showing.
to follow me. It's okay if I lose. You know, I'm not here to win every single trade on stream.
No, I know, but I'm just saying, like the motherfuckers on YouTube, they be sitting there like trying to follow everything you do. You saw earlier
I
that
mean,
person was
I mean,
like,
hey, if they
what
lose,
you meant about mental stop losses, and you were like, nah, don't do no mental.
no, I said don't do mental stop losses. I say typically you
I
stop losses.
know,
Everybody's different.
but they asked you because you had mentioned mental stop losses before. So I'm trying to get they on you, like they
No,
following
he
your every
asked
word.
me what do I
Right,
mean
bro.
by mental stop loss, and I told him, and I said it's best to just use a stop loss. Don't copy me for mental stops. That's something I
Yeah,
use
I know you told them that. I'm saying him asking you in the first place is proof that they following you. You know
Yeah, and that's fine. That's cool. If people blow their account, that's on them. No one's telling them to press a button. That's the
Okay,
whole.
bro.
That's the whole thing. You can go watch any other live streamer. It's the same thing. No one's telling you to press a button. At the end of the day, you're the one who's doing buy or sell.
That's true.
Don't matter how much money I lose. I can stomach 3K. That ain't shit to me. I wipe my ass with 3K. Like,
Someone gotta take blame, brother.
no, the fuck. Why should I take blame when I'm live streaming for free, where everyone else is live streaming for free, where everyone it's up to you to make that choice to buy or sell. No one's forcing you. So I don't need to take blame for someone else's. I didn't put a gun to your head and say, oh yeah, click this buy or sell button. The fuck? No. Fuck out of here with that bullshit. Don't sit here and try to swing some bullshit.
Yeah, I was making a joke, dude. So it's all good.
Took that a little too.
But we're gonna reverse here off of this 15. And I may get in on one contract on this depending on how we do.
Order filled.
Entry for that. Yep, dude, I just got fucked, dude. That's so gay. That's gay as hell. Hell, gay as fuck. But that's okay.
brother.
I'm gonna pull out though some money.
With a slight pause for the pull out, I was like, I got a big concern.
Alright, bro, solid entry on this. Brother, if I would have maybe used 7 cons, I probably would have still been in this. I gotta go back and reanalyze why I lost this trade. Dude, that's crazy. Dude. Bro, I got wicked out by like a fucking tick. Wow. It's either way, if it would have came back and retested here, I would have still been up profit and I could have just closed or just waited and see if we retested here. That's crazy, chat. Look at that. But like my analysis was right though, so we ain't tripping about that. So I'm gonna pull out. Yeah. What I got? 4 grand on there. How much should I pull out and leave buffer to just YOLO with and trade?
I don't know how much can you take out.
Whatever I want. 4K, 4.1K. 1,500 to work with. I say like 2,500, or maybe 3K. Is 3K? What y'all think? 3K is enough buffer of drawdown to like make money, right?
You do a lot of cost drag.
Yeah, I don't even have that much drawdown.
So 3 grand.
So I would think that that's plenty.
Oh yeah, bro. I've worked with literally $100 and flipped it into like a 3K. So I'm gonna pull out. Yeah, you're right. So give or take, I'm gonna pull out like I think 2,400. Yeah, I'll pull out 23. So I just submitted that. So I'll pull that out. We're up on this account right now. We're also up on my other account, Trade Locker, which I should probably put up for you guys. So this is a firm that I'm trading with to where once I get past 30 days of trading, I can just request money from them. And I don't even know how much I'm up on this one right now. Up like $90, 100 something bucks. Wow. Yeah, I caught those 15-minute lows, dude. That's crazy that I got wicked out like that. But hey, it happens. Up almost 4K on this account. I'd like to see this get back to these highs up here. If we close, as long as we close, I love what gold did. I think gold is still gonna sell though. I'm sure you're up. Take it, and then wait for another move.
Fuck you, Doug.
Yeah, we retested nicely on that 23,130 number I was talking about earlier, and it's pushing now.
Bro, I got fucking wrecked by a fucking tick. Did you see it?
I didn't see it exactly, but I heard. I was on the phone with my mortgage company.
Oh, Getting everything dialed in.
Yeah, we're setting up the closing and whatnot. They needed my loan information.
Yeah, I would have been up like almost like 4 or 6 bands on this if I didn't get whipped out. That's so gay. Like I called it happening. Like I called the retracement. I just got in a little too early. Well, I think I also risked too many. I averaged in with too many contracts as well.
Yeah.
So I mean,
Yeah, because everything looked good. 4 hours, it broke. It's coming down. It's retesting. It's validating nicely there.
Yeah,
Built that low kind of at 23,130.
Nice, up almost a rack on this, and up almost 2K on this. Basically about to make back what I just lost. Let's take it out of gold.
Already did.
Say it again.
Sell some gold personally. Thank me later.
I'm out of gold.
I'm still sellish pressure on gold for sure.
I mean, like I don't have any positions in gold.
Ooh, we're at support though on a gold too. That's a tough one. I would say wait. Unless we were to break this.
Yeah. If we break this little line at 33.55, whatever, 33.55, 60, whatever this shit is.
I like a break at 33.50 on the 1 hour.
I would like to see a continuation back down again, and then exit. Get a 10. Yeah.
Yeah, we got that wick low right there at 33.48, and then also 33.41.
Yeah.
That could just be a lower high before the lower low continuation, but we didn't. We kind of broke the low, but it was only a wick, so I don't really count that. So we're still waiting for that lower low to continue that downtrend.
Fuck!
You're talking gold, right?
I hate getting wicked out. That shit blows. But the thing is, as a trader, you also want to always go back and see what you could have done differently. And what I could have done differently is I could have waited a little bit for more of a pullback, or I could have put in less contracts when I was averaging in to make more money. So that's on me. The only person I can blame is myself.
Yeah, we got all day to make it back.
Oh, hell yeah, brother. I mean, I already made it back already.
Yeah.
We got all day, but I'm trying to.
Fuck the markets. Fuck the banks. Institutions. Just shift the blame. It's easy work. Alright, this next 15-minute candle's about to open. Bro, I promise you, if this thing just fucking flies, we're gonna hit 23,000. Let's see. I think we'll hit 23,250 if we can break these highs here. That would be insane. Hey, brother, one thing I've learned in trading is if something's trending like it is, follow the trend, baby. And the thing is, we never retested these lows here. So if we made these lows made a lower low, but now we're breaking these. We're breaking these lows. What does that tell you? Long, baby.
Bro, my head is like fucking. I don't know. I gotta drink some water or some shit. My head is spinning.
Pump.
Water.
Pump.
You have breakfast yet?
Nah, bro. I woke up straight to the charts.
Drink some water, and do you have like some fruit laying around, like a banana or something?
Yeah.
Eat real fast.
Fruit and water.
So now,
real
chat,
fast.
we're
Like,
waiting for this next
get up and do that right now. Start with the water though. Make it easier to eat the food.
We're gonna wait for the next 30-minute candle. That's gonna be what's either going to make it or break it to push past this key area. 50-minute looks crazy right now, but I could definitely still see like rejection. So we'll see. This 50-minute
Gold's rejecting again.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it still sells on gold, bro. 5-minute looks great.
You think I should just short it, and then put a stop loss above them little wicks.
So if I was trading gold right now,
short that bitch. Stop loss is just past the wicks.
Let me see here. If I was trading gold right now,
things that tested.
Based on the 30-minute time frame, 15-minute.
I'll wait if it comes back up again, and then hit sell there.
If I was in gold right now, I would sell here.
If we break that wick low at 33.50, I think I'll probably get in. This is just on a 1 minute, so I might not see this. If we break that, I'd probably definitely get in short. But the only reason I'm not short yet is looking at 5 minute. We still need to kind of retest VWAP.
Yeah.
I haven't really traded much gold, but I mean, looking a lot in the past, it does kind of like to retest VWAP, maybe not as much as NQ. But I've been seeing a lot of kind of fades to VWAP and then continuations.
That's why
I got an orange. Fuck! I was. Oh no! I got stomped out of NQ.
Gold, yeah. I wouldn't be too impatient with gold.
How close was your stop loss?
Because even then, this.
I moved it up to 110. So I mean, I didn't lose a lot. I only lost like 110. I'm still up 600 today.
Nice. How close are you from passing your account now, brother?
What?
How close are you to passing your account now?
$641.
Nice.
Yeah.
This retracement is expected, that's for sure.
Sweet. What's your drawdown?
I'm up 500 on this. Are you taking my stop loss?
No, I was talking to SS engravings. If he's practicing.
Oh, so you're good on the duty. Oh, I'm good on the
That's true. It doesn't tell you what your drawdown is.
Yeah.
You just have to watch you don't lose more than like $2,000 at any given time from your account high. Gotcha.
Oh, she already got some?
Yeah. But every time, like in the testing, every time you move positive, the floor beneath you moves positive.
Yeah.
So like you start off at 50 bands and then you can lose up to 48. But as soon as you make 51 bands, you can only lose up to 49. As soon as you make 52 bands, you can only lose up to 50. You get what I'm saying? Like,
we can smoke this and then
it goes up with you. It does cap though at like 2 bands. So like it'll like whatever the starting account number is, it'll cap there. But then obviously once you touch that number again, count closed.
What's up?
50,000.
What's up, Elite? How are you?
150K.
50 is like we've been recommended as the best place to start if like your goal is to pursue a payout because what's it called, the goals for the bigger accounts is higher profits. And it's also cheaper to test $50,000 or $50,000 accounts than it is to test for higher accounts, right? Because you're gonna be paying more money, you know. So if you're still in the testing phase of things, then it's just best to do that. I would say though, if you guys want to get like a little more active with the trading, something that I've suggested to friends is instead of going through Top Step and taking the combine and everything, go ahead and spend the just under $200 to get the straight to funded account. Why? Because Top Step, $50 testing fee, $150 activation fee is $200 already, and that's if you pass in the first month. If not, you're gonna add another $50 to that every time. So then you get that. It's already funded. Like you can already start making money with it. But then you can turn on a practice account with them, right? And then you can practice on their practice account, and it doesn't require a monthly subscription fee. You don't need to pass the test. You just practice until you're comfortable, and then you can switch over to funded.
Wait, a pre-funded account is only $200?
After the discount code that Josh has, yeah.
And depending on what,
depending on what, 170. I think it's 190 now. It might be going up, but it's definitely under 200, and Top Step's costing you that.
I'm doing good, Elite. How are you? How's your
on a
trading
perfect
been? What you been up
It's
to?
all good. It's all good. I'm gonna do the combine at least once.
All right, guys, we're waiting on this next 3 minute here to open.
Yeah, I mean, if you already spent the money, I'd say go through that account, but on your next one, maybe open up. And if you haven't opened an account yet, I'd say maybe start with them, just because then you can get a practice account, and the practice account is going to put you in the charts the same way we're viewing them. You're going to have like the exact same charts. You're going to be, placing the same type of orders. You're going to get comfortable pressing the buttons the way we're pressing them inside of the whole Project X platform, because a lot of us aren't even on TradingView anymore. Like TradingView is built into Project X, so we just are on Project X.
But use TradingView to still mark up the.
Ooh, gold. Look at gold. It's maybe if it breaks this fucking 33.55 60 number, I'm gonna shoot it for 33.56. If it breaks 33.56, get out of there. Yeah, on gold. I'm looking for a break and a retest though. I'm not just gonna like buy on a break.
Looking for NQ. We're up right now, Chad. I mean,
'Cause I've done that in the past, like just buying a break, you end up buying at the real high ass
this is
price.
gonna be key. This 30-minute open is gonna
Okay.
be key on NQ for us to either fly or not fly. But honestly, the way it's looking, bro.
Call it as soon as you see it, cause I'm in NQ and my stop loss is so far down it ain't funny.
Let's see how.
I want to move it up, but I don't even. As far as I'm concerned, I'm still
You're
inside the
like,
15-minute range.
nah.
I'm inside the 15-minute range still. That's how I feel about this trade. But you know, y'all, I got two, like you said, I got two guys screaming in my ear. Longs for sure. We just need this next candle to close above this. Like, all right.
Longs for sure.
I'm still feeling gold longs. I just, you know, something about the way the price is moving right now tells me that like buyers really want to see that.
Yeah. You're in gold right now?
No, I'm just watching it. I was in gold
Okay.
and I rode gold on that first move up already.
Okay. Oh,
I made a nice
nice.
little 500 on that because I waited till it broke my 15-minute line. I didn't just like grab it from the start.
Gotcha.
These two little peaks on NQ make me uncomfortable.
Yeah, these rejections are trash. If we don't
Yeah.
break this, then
It's back to gold. But technically, we've been bouncing off both sides, so
I don't know. NQ just looks so solid for long. Like I said, never break the trend.
it does look like we're in the start of a channel maybe. So we might just be sitting here for a little while, and then maybe after that it'll break up. But it's like we created two peaks up, and then both of their downtrends have stopped or wicked out roughly to the same level.
It's too much. How much you go down? Like 200.
And gold, I don't know. I feel like gold really wants to, man. Whoever just talked, I want to let you know that we could not hear you.
Bro, I'm telling you, these NQs are great, man. I wish you got in on that pullback, but you were selling.
Who, me?
No, I'm talking to Mumpaway. I'm talking to Bray.
Oh,
Really? So that.
I can barely hear Bray. He's not talking in the mic.
Like, you know,
Why not just trade a bike row? Do like 7 bike rows. Bro, because we're at all-time highs. If we keep going, bro, then that's money you're just gonna miss.
But that's also what I thought. Set an all-time high. So how much higher is it gonna actually go?
Well, considering we hit all-time highs on the 14th, and now we're creating this. This is a low, a higher low, higher low, higher low. This is creating support here. But then we have, this is just a crazy rich support rejection, like liquidity grab. So we are in a range right now. It's like, are we gonna break?
Yeah, I don't know, because right now, if you look at the way like if you look at from like 8 a.m. Eastern, so I don't know what that is for y'all, to now, right? You've got like a low and then this high created, and then after that, once market open, we created another low, which is technically lower than the previous low. And right now, if this is a peak, it's technically lower than the previous peak.
Yeah. This 4 hour can still reject anyway, too.
It could. It could. I'm hoping it does.
I'm waiting on this 30-minute candle.
Ooh, gold.
If I hit, I hit. If I don't, 80, 180.
Selling, bro. give this candle a chance, but it's gonna keep going down. I might pull. What thank you gonna do? Please keep going up. KAGE. It's the word, the letter KAGE. It's the code you want to put in at checkout, and you want to buy an S2F Sim Pro account for 50,000. That's with top one futures. I don't know if you went to the right place. Thank you. What are you doing with your life? Mark.
I love Porsches, man. I need a. Yeah, bro, fall. Bro, I can't wait to go to Miami. I'm so excited. Can't hear me. From who?
Bro, what is NQ's deal?
What do you got? He said my mic's not working, guys. And what's going
Needs
on
to leave
here?
that area, bro. Commit for the longs, NQ. Commit for the longs.
Can y'all hear me better now? Like, I mean, everyone's. Is my mic not working on stream?
I hear you. I don't know who you're talking to.
Okay, so someone said they couldn't hear me, but what does he have? Like, how much? He just doubles anyway. So how much for like a half would be?
Q, stop. You're stressing me out.
And what does he do? Like Zelle, Cash App? So do I send you the money? You can just send it over. This 30-minute just opened, guys, which was what I was waiting on. And if we can
Go
fill
ahead. Tell.
this,
Good.
and then that would be a solid play. So just kind of be patient. We did fill more than 50% of this candle, which I would say around like the 60%. If I were to use fibs, this is a tweezer bottom, still holding support down here as well as here. So my bias, I'm bullish currently.
On.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it. That's all he has. Like, is it good? Is it the fuck? Alright, let me just get a half, bro. Let me get a half. Scary up here, guys. So scary.
I think you trying to fake us out right now or something?
If we break this, then possibly, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's dangerous.
It's dangerous.
As fuck.
See how fast you can go from being up $2,000 to only up 100 or break even? Crazy. That's trading for you, chat. That's trading. Bro, what the hell is going
That's
on with the
scary.
market? What? Did y'all just see the fucking platform flicker?
No, but I'm about to dip if NQ don't
Okay.
do something about this life.
Yeah, I'll send you 65.
My stop loss up and keep being too crazy.
What? Dude, hop in on NQ. Just go long. It's like
On
$750.
NQ?
No, I'm not talking to you, chat. I'm talking to someone else. But I mean, I'm personally still long on NQ just because we haven't broken those 30-minute lows. That was the great.
No, and I wish I would have gone long when it just
that whole
retraced right there a little
pullback.
bit.
But that's the
That
thing.
would
The
have been
higher
fucking
time frame,
great.
if it doesn't break those previous candles on the higher time frame, why wouldn't you get in? Like, you would have had a perfect entry, and right now you could have made like $500 right now, off of just a one contract.
Yeah, but I was already in the whole time sitting there. It was just me praying it didn't take me out or fucking make me lose 1,000. I was already negative 500 on that on that pullback, bro.
Oh, you got in at the highs?
Yeah, it looks like it. Like I told you, I got in middle of the range. You want to call that a high? I mean, it was already higher than that before, so I would call that middle of the range. But it does look like it doesn't want to go much lower, so I'm gonna stay in. I got my stop loss at not the most comfortable number, but if this.
I mean, you're right at point of control. So if you're going to find good support anywhere, this is probably going to be it.
Okay.
No, that's not to say it's not going to go lower. I mean, I could see a reason for it to still retrace a bit more of this move and then still, continue back up.
Yeah, and I wish I could stomach that, like, cause I feel like now, like looking at my entry and stuff, I'm like, okay, like I could realistically come real close to the lowest point it's been, and then do a full reversal from there. NQ's loves to do that shit,
Yeah.
but I could not stomach the drawdown on that. I
Don't
can't. So
always
I'm
listen
really
to
hoping
me.
it stays above this 23,155 zone. But yeah, I'm in on gold, so I'm balanced, I guess, because I'm positive there. But I would love it if
For
NQ
me,
could
if I'm in
at
one
least
trade,
return
I
to
always say in
me or
one
go over.
trade. Something that I don't do, guys, is I don't go from pair to pair. I only take 1 or 2 trades a day. Took one trade on gold. I think, or yeah, I took
I
one
don't
trade on
normally
gold.
do, but I took NQ because y'all call it bullish, not because I was watching NQ, right? But I was watching gold, so I felt like not taking gold was really stupid of me, especially as I'm watching the position on the other side go down. It's like,
Like,
okay,
if you
well,
have
I
your
see
bias,
gold
do
took my
your. That's the
thing.
thing. Whenever I'm speaking on my analysis, it does not tell you to take the trade. It's just give you an idea of what I'm
I know.
taking. And it's like,
I use
you should do your own due diligence
I have
before
my
you
own
even
mouse,
take
dude.
your
I'm not
own.
blaming you. I'm telling you that this is the reason why I'm in 2 trades. It's because I wasn't gonna, I wasn't gonna discount the fact that gold did line up with my setup. Like it broke the line that I wanted, retested the line that I wanted.
I feel like I'm complete opposite in this group. Everybody loves to trade gold. I almost never.
I'm more of an NQ guy actually. I don't typically trade gold, but I just keep the 2 open.
Yeah, I keep it open. I just don't really, I hardly even watch it. I hardly trade it. I don't know.
I like NQ because NQ moves. Like NQ, I feel like gold will like pick a point. If I feel like if gold moves, most of the time it'll like pick a direction and like move. I feel like NQ, you'll get like a big movement in one direction, a big movement in the opposite direction, a big move. You know what I mean? And so I feel like there's a lot more. It makes it a lot more obvious for entry, right?
Apple Pay's fine.
Because you're not just looking for pullbacks. Like you can see the whole reversal and be like, okay, yeah, bet I'm gonna be able to ride this. You know, at least another $800 that way or something.
Right.
Oh, I should have got out when it was near my break entry, bro.
Yeah, we're about to fade to VWAP.
Yeah.
That means we're gonna go lower than this, is what you're saying?
23,145 maybe.
If we break VU up,
Iceberg.
145.
Yeah, that's
I can
VWAP.
stomach that. I can stomach that. I can stomach that. I can stomach that. I can stomach that.
So,
Give it a chance. I can stomach that. If not, it is what it is.
Curious to see how the next hour opens up too.
Wait, it didn't even hit my stop loss and it stopped me out? What?
Did it? Were you
Drawdown?
max negative already?
No.
So the
No,
only
I
reason they'll
was,
put you out is if you're too negative.
no, I was up 600.
Oh.
We'll check your account.
Did
It
you?
just-
Did you?
it
Did
just
you, did
You
you
says-
have
put
a
a
daily
stop loss, or
profit?
did you?
Yeah, yes, I put a stop loss.
What does it
Like
say?
it was
It
already
just
there,
says-
or you just put it?
Yes, it was already there. And it goes, order filled. What the fuck? Whatever, it's all good. All Gucci.
So you
Still
made
early
money,
in the
Did you have a
or
take
you
profit in
lost
place that you
money?
just weren't
Yeah.
aware of?
You made money
Yes.
or you lost money?
Did it hit
I
the take
lost
profit?
No. It's all good. No worries. No worries.
Just say the same shit. And then y'all just keep asking him the
Yep.
same questions. Oh shit. No.
Bruh, you playing that game. Jesus, woo. Can we get a 3-minute retracement? No. Yes. No. Possibly. No. Maybe. Bro, where is the countdown? Oh, it's right there on the side.
Yeah, I need an account.
Still insanely up on this account for the day.
I need a doctor.
Bro. My mouse is bugging, bro.
I
The
forgot
fuck?
about
Be right back.
Nowadays, everybody's all talking like they got something to say.
Loki could get another entry on this retracement, but it's kind of risky, man. This one. Should be tested.
Super risky, bro.
Different, man. We're not into that stuff, man.
Yeah, bro. Fuck! I missed it. No!
Order filled.
Not the best entry, but
Oh, fuck you, dude.
All the filled orders, I'm hearing them.
could be wrong.
You entered what, for long? More longs?
Could be wrong.
Really praying you're right, trust. Oh, please don't go past 145.
We're gonna stay above those 23,000s that we broke those highs. maybe we just have all this momentum later in the market. It's gonna push us up. This is just the kerfuckle, I like to call it.
Yes.
No kerfuckles, bro.
Yeah, like,
Please go up, bitch.
Still looking pretty good for longs right here.
Yeah, I like to hear
Yeah.
that. There's something about the way your tone and your voice makes me calm when you say it. So,
Yeah, I mean, that was so 23,145 was value area low so far for the day. That was also VWAP. And then we're kind of retesting that candle that was right before the last impulse. So there's two big blue candles on my chart. And what we kind of had there was a little bit of a fair value gap between this bearish corrective structure and that impulse. So we're filling that gap right at value area low, right at VWAP.
Bro is a
See?
tryhard.
I'm a try hard.
Nah, I'm talking to the Bray. He's next to me.
Oh. Yeah. I mean, that's as long as it kind of holds.
Right now, my stop loss is 23,140 or so.
Yeah, I mean, if it holds. I mean, it's attacking already. We're kind of going non-volatile. It might hit 23,130 before it reverses, but
Okay. You know, that's just life. If it hits, it hits. Yeah, it hit. Damn, that hurt.
yeah, it's going down. 23,130 would be next, and even that, I mean, we don't have a lot of volume there.
Tell them in the chat. Good job in the tournament.
Gold's still up.
How's your gold trade going? Solid.
Like $200 at the moment. It kind of pulled back a bit. It really, literally retested my entry. Bounced up. My re-entry.
I think my possible setup on NQ might be a break of 23,120. That swing low. Maybe get a pullback into point of control for the day, and round off. Look for lower lows.
Everyone, the weekly thing, the solo weekly thing. What's going on?
Bro is a tryhard. You be getting onto all like the promos and stuff they be having going on. Yeah. You're number one. Still. Yeah, but getting number one consistently almost every week, or whenever you do play. Bro's cooking fucking kids, bro. Mom, I can't win. Getting beamed.
That could be accurate.
What old man, bro? We played this game for years, right? Bro ain't never lost. Oh, fuck. What the hell? Who's this? Man, come look at this leaderboard right here. See that? That's my name. That's his name. Now, why is he number one? Someone every time. So like everyone's in the tournament, and whoever wins the tournament gets the most coins. And all.
Whoever lasts all 7 levels. Start off with 100.
But whoever's left is.
Whoever left splits 10K.
So it can be two winners. The winner and the loser.
50.
Let's see.
I think today I'll be looking. So I only need to make like 5 grand on my on my $10 million account, and then I can request another 40K payout. Just gotta make 5 grand today.
You have a $10 million account?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
I kind of thought the same when I heard it too.
I was like, what?
Yeah, like he kind of just casually said it. Like,
Yeah, bro. I got a $10 million account. You peasants.
30 minutes rejecting.
Nah, that's what's up though. That's cool as fuck.
Appreciate it. I requested 40K, so I'm waiting on that. So that should hit like Friday, and then Saturday night I'll request another 40K, which will hit when I get back from Miami. So I'm excited about that. And
I'm happy for you, Bonanza. All your success.
Are you getting any trades, or what's your account looking like? What's your account looking like?
instant funding.
What are you trading?
So after that, I took my profit and made me go down 128.
Easy.
So I got like a 500.
Yeah, those instant accounts, that trailing is a bitch.
Yeah, brother.
I think you should do the end of day instant funding accounts.
I didn't know about the consistency shit. So like the
Every
first,
every firm that has consistency now.
so like the first fucking couple days, I was
Yeah, you just
first
need a
couple days, I was
hold.
in and out.
And that's why I say on trailing, the best thing is to hold trades and just take your profit at the highs. Wait till the next day, do the same thing
I didn't
until you
stop
get
that
that.
shit until Julius pointed out, and I went and checked my.
Yeah,
That was,
trailing is
I like
is
that way.
scalpers' biggest fear. That's why it's hard for scalpers to pass trailing firms. But yeah, I mean, just do Tradeify. Tradeify is instant accounts on 50K. How much are 50K right now? Yeah, 'cause Tradeify, you can get paid out literally in 7 days. As long as you get above the buffer. And plus, it's end of day on Tradeify, which is awesome. And yeah, I like them a lot. What the hell is that? Type in Tradeify Futures. Yeah. I know the CEO personally. He's a cool ass dude. I'm friends with the CEO of Tradeify. The owner of Tradeify, that prop firm.
Yeah, you got discounts on them because them bitches $100 for a 50K.
How much is it for 50K?
509.
It's
For
509.
for 50K?
Yeah, 3
Oh, that seems about right. Yeah. What's the
It's on Tradeify. It's 729. It says for 150K straight to sim. No, but it's not. Fuck that. 700. A lot of fuck. But yeah.
would you prefer 50K or 100K? I would say 100K for you personally. I think you just be worried about your drawdown too much on your 50K. Whatever you feel comfortable.